Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Infinix Zero Ultra, and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and it doesn't really matter where we will be, I mean on which mode. Just enter the settings which are in the left upper corner, but before, let me get back to the camera, because I've previously applied the grid lines. I hope that you can see them. It is because that I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work. So after that, after the whole operation, the grid lines should disappear. I hope it will work. So as I said, let's enter the settings right here. Let's tap on it, and here at the very bottom we've got restore defaults. Now let's tap on restore, and as you can see, we just immediately got back to the camera and the grid lines are not visible, which simply means that we just successfully reset all the customizations. So basically that's all. This is how to reset camera preferences in your Infinix Zero Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.